fresh pair of eyes. I have a situation where only 1 out of 4 headlights are working. There are 4 T20 bolts that hold each headlight bezel in place. Or it's supposed to be. Mine happen to have 3. All of them are like that. Four Phillips bit screws hold this little bracket. The ones on this headlight happen to be rusted out, so I have to drill them off. Then I cheated by just taking the top 2 off and bending the plate down. And I got the job done. Follow suit for the rest of them. Test the lights to make sure they work before installing them permanently. Sending it home. And it's not a direct replacement as far as fitting goes in these headlight housings. I had to cut most of the housing off, but now the headlight can close inside. This is how much was removed compared to what it was before. While waiting on some parts, I put a fresh coat of black paint. This took a few days to come in, new hardware. In reverse order, I was able to get the headlights back in and pitch black to let there be light. I was a little worried how they'd look on a Trans Am, but I'm liking it. And they work pretty good. Still need to align them a little bit, just a little bit more adjusting. Now that they're in work, it's time to test them at night on the road. I probably should have mounted the GoPro outside the car, but they work better than the stock headlights.